Probe intensifies into the Bihar NEET paper leak. There have been 6 more arrests in Jharkhand. The arrests were made from a house near AIIMS Deoghar. This as the hunt for the mastermind Sanjeev Mukhia continues. So far, 19 people have been arrested by Bihar EOU. Mukhia had allegedly accommodated nearly 25 candidates at a boys' hostel associated with the Learn Play school in Bihar's Patna on May 4th, a day before the NEET exam. Meanwhile, politics peaks over the exam row. Bihar LOP Tejasvi Yadav slammed the centre, saying the union ministers continue to lie on the alleged leak and called for a fair probe into the matter. Remember, Bihar Deputy Chief Minister has accused Tejasvi's PA Pritam Kumar of accommodations for Sikandar Kumar Yadavendu, the mastermind of the NEET question paper leak.
जांच एजेंसियां जो है निष्पक्षता से जांच करें और बाद में ये सब चीज छुपने वाला थोड़ी है। जो बेईमानी किया है, जिसने छात्र युवाओं के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ किया है, उसको तो हम लोग छोड़ेंगे थोड़ी। हम लोग एकदम पर्दाफाश किया जाएगा। भले ही सरकार में जो लोग बैठे हैं उनकी मंशा है कि इधर उधर कर दिया जाए, मामले को ध्यान भटका दिया जाए।
तेजस्वी जी के आप सचिव प्रीतम कुमार को पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया गया है। अब तेजस्वी जी इस पर स्पष्ट करें कि मास्टरमाइंड निलंबित जेई सिकंदर यादवेंदु और प्रीतम का पूरा कनेक्शन क्या है, आपसे क्या संबंध है, आपके परिवारों से क्या संबंध है, ये तो जवाब देना चाहिए नेता प्रतिपक्ष को।
The Economic Offences Unit submitted a comprehensive report to the Union Education Ministry detailing the NEET paper leak in Bihar. The report includes evidence, confessions and the entire investigation process. Now, there are twists galore in the ongoing probe. Investigation widens from Bihar to Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand. Police are on high alert in Patna, Nalanda, Gaya and Nawara districts. 7 individuals have been detained from Jharkhand. Here's a detailed report. Students' plight seems to have been hijacked by politics in Bihar. BJP and RJD continue to trade blame over NEET paper leak accused.
तीसरा जो चरणबद्ध जो निकलना था उसको रद्द किया गया क्योंकि पेपर लीक हो गया और वो पेपर लीक करने वाला अभी भी घूम रहा है। बारी बार बेल करा लिए। किंग पिंग वही लोग हैं, नाम इस वाले में भी उन्हीं लोगों का आ रहा है।
तेजस्वी जी इस पर स्पष्ट करें कि मास्टरमाइंड निलंबित जेई सिकंदर यादवेंदु और प्रीतम का पूरा कनेक्शन क्या है, आपसे क्या संबंध है।
The probe is getting murkier, widening from Bihar to Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand. Bihar Police's Economic Offences Unit is hunting for the mastermind Sanjeev Mukhia. Mukhia, accused of providing NEET papers to junior engineer Sikandar, has been involved in numerous paper leak cases since 2010. Initially working with Bihar's notorious paper leak don Ranjit, Mukhia now runs his own solver gang, spreading his influence and operations across multiple states. EOU sources reveal that Uttar Pradesh paper leak mastermind Ravi Atri is linked to Mukhia and is believed to have aided him in facilitating the movement of the leaked NEET papers. The Economic Offences Unit suspects that the papers may have been moved from Uttar Pradesh to Bihar via Jharkhand. 7 individuals have also been detained from Jharkhand. On Saturday, the EOU has submitted a comprehensive report to the Union Education Ministry detailing the NEET paper leak. It covers evidence, confessions, details of burnt question papers, post-dated checks, formatted mobile phones and money transactions. The minister will decide on further action. With Shashi Bhushan in Patna, Satyajit Kumar in Ranchi, Bureau Report, India Today.